Hello. Hello. Okay. So today we are going to work on a prototype of not a prototype but an app that I thought might be useful for nerds and what we can say the introvert peoples like me. So what is this app that I have created over here? Let me guide you through it. And I know there is too much UX problem in it, so we are going to solve them one by one by using AI, but obviously because I don't have any UX theories drilled down in me. So what we are doing today is this is the app. I will name something. For example, temporary name is this. So let's put it over here. And this is just a wireframing, nothing much. So many elements you can see they are just placed randomly. There is nothing going on over here. Okay, so this is the home screen. It will have overview, today, upcoming, and so on, depending on the context. Okay, this is something I overlooked. Same for this second tab, that is people. people will have something like this. I want to make it more beautiful and more. This is edit button. Let put let me put some words in it. Where is the text? And this will be edit button for, I don't know what was it for. Oh, okay. Okay, it was the filter setting and placeholder. I have kept it over here. Let's see, I can move the sign out button at the bottom and move this up a bit, because sign out button is something which is danger for this app. And okay, history over here, cloud devices over here. These are the icon that will replace the text later. What else do we have here? Okay, these are the profile name and number and all. Like, did you connect to the person when you turn on the app? And if you see this, you can, let's connect now, or yes. Okay, let's talk about the AI mentors, what they were actually saying. I was over here. Okay, so this should look good, right? Or it is not looking good enough. It depends totally on the viewer. Let's say this is also too out of the context. This and this should move a bit more to the right. So what I meant is it should look similar. It's 19 pixels over here, 19 inch, and I'm going to switch it something to the 19th, but it should be 19 something. Okay, and what about this? This one should also be 19. 18 pixels. Okay, now this thing over here is putting me off. Why, I don't know. I should also have them to be, let's keep them 12 pixels apart. This is just a wireframe again. I don't have any intention of making them right, so I think this much will do. Or will it? Let's just take a screenshot and ask. Okay, will this do? Working. Okay, what's that next? Set reminder, progressive disclosure. Okay, the critic, too many decisions at once. Fix it. But how will I fix it? Man, I want, who do you want to reconnect with? Drop down and the person is over here. How often? Okay. What else? Now this is something. Should I remove this? Let's move it outside the frame, because if I'm doing this randomization, it should be enough. Like tomorrow, next week, or in 1 month only. What is this? In 1 month. Okay, how would you like to reach out? Is there any other option to make it beautiful? And these are looking really bad. Should I move the set reminder button to the bottom? Like this? Hmm, this is looking bad. How would you like to reach out? Should I just make them a button like this? Nope, this is looking bad. Should I just reduce the size? Let's make an auto layout out of it first. Okay, and let's just select all, padding 8 pixel, 8 pixel. And what is this behavior? Oh, okay, I didn't know this. What is this? Let's make it 0. And let's say tidy up. Not tidy up, it's a mess. Okay, let's move it over here, it over here, and WhatsApp and Instagram, or and just center. Nope, equal horizontal spacing. Let's turn on our device mode. What was the shortcut again? Shift H, Shift G. Okay, Shift G. Let's select this and increase them like this. Okay, and that's it. How would you like to reach out? Okay, let's see what's next over here. Let's ask about this page too. Test, screenshot, go over there, paste. People, add people. Okay, this is too much form filling. Let's see what can we do. Add person. Name, relation, preferred app, handle. New design, visible. New design, visible avatar. Oh, I forgot the avatar. Let's move it a bit down like this. And let's copy this avatar frame. Control X, go over here, Control V, move it over right in the middle. Let's give it a fill of a darken. Let's increase the size, Control A. Let's increase the size. Let's make it centered. Let's Control Z 2 times. Let's make it this one. Oh, okay. Centered and centered. Is it centered? No, it is not. And this is doing well. Okay, what's next? File name. Okay, button. Big button that says save. What? We need someone at a bar conference. I want to type Dave and hit save. I don't want to ask what is it. Hmm. But preferred communication mode is for personal person for hmm. Okay, let's see if I remove this section and if I move this above and I move this to outside. Let's remove this too. Let's just say okay, no. Save number and the save contact button over here, and this thing, let's say add more details, DETA details, and that's it. And once if it is clicked, let's move this over here. Let's reduce its size a bit. Let's flip it and move it over here. Add more details. Oh, let's add the word optional. L and bracket, and let's move this. But relation is something that I would like to enter ASAP. So let's add the relation over here too. What will you do? First, I would like nickname or name, then number, and then who is the person. Let's move this relation over here like this and like this. Put a bit down. Relation should extend to. Let's copy this button to. Let's make it a bit bigger so it's visible. Let's make it 12 and let's give it this color. And what about add more details? Let's move this up. Let's move this booth over here. Now let's move our preferred communication over here. Preferred communication. What is it? Preferred communication channel. But isn't it too big of a name? What can I say the word to prefer communication channel? Contact using question mark. Let's add this over here too. And Instagram handle if I want to add. So like if I'm having this button thingy, then I can add more things like WhatsApp number. And let's save the contact. That's it. Will this chew? Question mark. No, we have one more thing. The premature abstract. Kill the chips. Why? Bro, these are the beauty. Just a search bar. Why do you want launch? won't launch with 500 users. A user at 20,000. But but what if a person? Hmm. Let me ask you a question. One. What did I do with this? I think the over missing information, but is the size now? Question mark. Two. And now question mark. Wait. Well, what is the third one? Third one. Right. Add person. No. Add person. No. Yes. Add person. This time add more details will open the options shown below. And the fourth part. Why? If I import all my contacts from I will see everyone. I don't that to receive contact. This app is not useful. I guess. What? And let's run it. Let's do the same thing with this. 1, 2, 3. And let's copy this thing and paste to GPT by itself. Let it understand itself. I don't know. Oh, what is this? Size perfect. Okay. Size is perfect. Hero effect. Ignore everything else. Handle this first. Missing information related midfield empty the fixed unit to answer the context. Currently connected. How you did yesterday? Okay. Improve. Add a small surprise or best. Is it a birthday? Reconnect is the thing, yaar. Generic catch up. Long time no see. Fixed visual. Final profile inside a grey card look like a sticker. Try this. Make the card grey card the red. Put the profile picture circle left. text to the right of it. I don't understand what the fuck it is trying to say. Let's see. We will see it. Okay. It's alright. I forgot about the arrow. Control C. Go to this thing and control V. And let's move it up and to this side. Like that. What is next? What about third? Hey, okay, never mind. Oh my god, I want to save and I don't want that. And if I import all, you get 500. 40 of them are pizza delivery or number. Result, the app is cluttered and useless. Option B, manually add. You have to type in 20 name. Result, too much work. Users quit. Solution, the select to import flow. You don't need filter on main screen. You need an onboarding import flow. Okay. Okay. This one is good addition. So if I have import over here, I should also have, but this button was supposed to work like that, so I should move it over here actually for every home page. And let's increase this size. Is there a gap? Gap. Let's see how will I redesign this thing. If I move this over here, and what is this section? Group 1, frame 1 rectangle. Let's make it a frame, and this frame should move to this frame. Move outside, come inside over here. Okay, and now this thing should not be rectangle. This is a frame and frame needs a color. Let's make it like that again. And this time the add button also needs some good depth. Like this or this much is okay. And now like we have this and this frame 1. Let's move it over here. And this frame is not needed now, I guess. Let's move it outside. That is lit frame. Let's see, and let's move it. Let's move this one in the middle. Let's select all them. Let's provide a bit of padding, just right the height as before. 8 is good, 44 is too much but needed. and the gap should reduce too much. 44 is still too much. Let's reduce this. And for the width, I would like to, yes, I am not auto layouted, or I am, but let's make it 142, and let's get the gap be 54, 24, 24. Let's make it hug so I can know I'm right. And 54. Yep, this will do. And the fill, let's make it a fill of again the light one. This one good. Now this is looking much better. Let's just copy paste this thing over here, this over here, and this over here. Let's just select this one, frame, rectangle 2 moves to the second rectangle, rectangle. This frame, rectangle 2 again moves to the fourth position, and 3 moves, 4 moves above, and in this one also rectangle 2 moves to the last, fifth over here, fourth over here, and we're done. Okay, now what was it again? I'm not moving to UI, sorry. I know there are too many problems over here. Let's design the import page. How should an import page look like? Let's copy this. Oh, right. I have to delete this 3, 2, and move them down right over here. And I have to put the cheese. This one should move a bit down, a bit more down, a bit more down. Okay. Now this thing needs to be gone. This thing come over here, and I guess this page will come over. No, sorry. This thing was already page. If they are importing, import and the add the special ones. Make your circle. Okay. Now you can go. This something like this, something like you will come over here and you will say, oh, let's import them, and you will go in the middle, and Rahul along with his profile and only the Rahul name, and Rahul will come over here, and this will reduce in size way too much. It's 45 or 47, 48. It's 48, and this circle is over here. Its size need to be reduced 40, 36 ish. 48 minus 36, 12. Okay, let's make it something 5 is too much. Yep. And let's see if it's over here. I want you in the middle, don't move. I want you to have and alternative position of alting of 6 6 and 6 from this side too will do. Yep. And Rahul, come here please, thank you. And where is the checkbox? Let's copy this checkbox. Yes, right over here. Let's see, the checkbox should be also 16 16 16 each side. No, this will do. And we have copy of this, control D D D D. We will have mom here, we will have dad here, we will have sis one here, we will have two one here, we will have and one here, we will have plumber here. And now I will just click tick 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 and about. Let's go. Let's turn off the grid and ask about age. Let's paste it over here. How is it now? Question mark. Again, let's run this and let's read the answer from our GPT. Overall verdict, short plus honest. Thank you. Yes, this will be good UI direction. You still over explain in forms, you slightly undervalue context on whom. Hey, for real. You instinctively. Oh, wait a second. Oh, they should have not been opened. They should down. Okay, never mind. You still over explain, you slightly undervalue, your instinct about import correct, but solution is not manually, you are 80% on clarity. Screen by screen. Add person screen. Okay. Add mono. For real? Even the number is secondary? Now that it mentions it is secondary. Like I only need my आदमी person and his contact. Let's maintain an auto letter. Let's move it over here. Let's use this over here. I don't know anymore, man. Okay. Okay, so it wants me to reduce, remove this too. This is a good point. How will you reach out is not the concern. Who and when will you reach out is the concern. This is good, but I will like keep this over here. I will change it to something much better later. Home reminder. Yes, the device is finally right. Thank you. Fixed. Good. What information is in your who? How late? How late? Do you yesterday? I who wake is okay but small. Okay. No, you I needed this content. You yesterday call around. Missed yesterday. Okay, guys, this is for the today. If you want more, let me know. With no concurrent zero viewers, I am watching and learning myself. Thank you.